Okay. Ito muna po tayo. Teka lang. Good game po kanina po sa CAS. And congratulations po for winning the game. Thank you very much po. And of course, this is your Aviation Friendly dubbed as a Flying League. First, we'd like to thank the following sponsors, Team LBC Halang Padala and Thread the Needles. Sa po natin po dyan ang SPB ARA and PSBQ Basketball League. This is now yung ating po mga participants po natin sa Season 5. Cabin Line, Hub, Oryx, Boleros, Airport United, CAS, In-Flights, Cure Towers, Freighters, Sky Team, and Mechanicos. This is now the eliminations, and now second game for tonight po is between Hub versus the Sky Team. Hub playing po white and black combination po yan, white and navy blue combination, versus po yan po ang Sky Team po, yan po ang typical blue combination po nila. Okay, magsisimula po ngayon po ang ating pong labanan ngayon. Final game po tayo for this week, and afterward po babalik ulit po tayo po sa another basketball action again po sa ating ikang ligang ito. Binisye na kagad na nakauna, and last touch po, not touched by not touched by ano ba, hindi mo ko lang ano ba to, magta-tracking field ba to, ba't triple digit yung ano niya, 100. Balik tayo, eto po tayo, di makulangan, 100. Tirona, Dimac, Tirona, against Enteng, Tirona, wala. Rebound again, Tirona, 2 points. Foul out of Walter. Anong lahi nung yung 17 kanina? Espanyol? Nunez Nunez sa apelido niya o ano? Portuguese yung ano niya, sa lengguwahe niya. Portuguese yun, Brazilian speaks Portuguese. Okay, Trinan. And Biliciena, number 18. Biliciena, out of bounds. Balik muli po tayo, Pilau, nandiyan din po sa loob, with Eusebio, Dimac, Tirona, Nipit, and Pilau. Kabila naman po of course si Biliciena, si Enteng, si Dex, of course si number 28, at si number 5, si Walter yan. Dimac, Nipit, trip. Traveling ka dun, boss. Call for the travel. Trinan, the Hub, still leading. Trying to get back again to the pace po. Natalo po sila no karampo sa airport sa CAS. Last week. And of course, sa kabila po, nandiyan si Riol, si Enteng, o si Bryle rather, sorry, si Bryle pala yan. Si Biliciena, si Trapal, at si Walter naman. Enteng, nope, it's Siena. No good. Rebound by Mr. Eusebio. Nandiyan po si Pilau, bilit-bit, wala. And Tirona, off the mark, hands of Tirona. Nandiyan si Dex, palpal, pero hindi. Pops up Dimac, no good. Enteng, Gokotano. Enteng, Billy, Enteng, pops up, bangs it in. Uy, ano yun? Traveling violation called on Nipit. Number 25 si Dex. Wala akong number si Cindy. Pops up Pilaw, wala. Nipit, 8, wala rin. Rebound barrow by Dimac, wala pa rin. Dimac, Tirona, wala pa rin. First shot, Tirona, good. Kaya mo tayo. Okay, 5-3 pa rin po score po natin. Pow! Pow, number 5. Sandaan nga eh. 100%. Track and field yata yun eh. Pilaw, 3 points, nope. Pilaw, muli po tayo. Nice steal by Brian. Nandyan si Dimac. At si Tirona. Traveling naman, sinabi ng referee. Basket made. Dimac again. Dimac against Billy. Dimac versus Billy. Dimac, nakalusot. Dimac! Eusebio, no good. Pilaw. 2 points Pilaw. Okay, change pa po tayo. Okay, Royol. Kabila po, of course, nandiyan po si Royol, si number 10, si Aerold, si number 87, si Cloyd, si, ano yan, si Koy Max, at of course, si number 24. Si Lakalinaw. And Koy Max. Malakas. Rebound by Dwight Sana. Okay, Dwight. Binababa niyo si Perido ngayon, si Perido nandiyan, si Perido. Yung kanilang tituman po, si Perido. Of course, si Padua pops up, bangs it in. 3 points now by number 11 ng Hub. Nangyari? Injury siya na? Still completed. Koy Max. Koy Max muli. Koy Max. Riol for 3. Kapos. Nichols. And to Perido from Dwight. Perido. Dwight. Tuliao. Junicio. De Padua. Junicio. Pops up. Ayaw. And to Tuliao. Pops up for 3. Nope. Nandiyan si Riol. Nagmamadali. Riol. Koy Max. And Aerold. to Arnel. Pops up. 2 points. Minababangay tayo. Ito po tayong yun. Dwight Capo. Malalim. Malalim. Foul cold on Dwight. Pre, Pave. Jared. Bautista. Paswivel naman. Paswivel lang. Share na ako. Sige na. Magsalita ka na gusto mo.
Sir. Julius Renzo. Shoutout mga boss. Ano po dito? Ito po. Kupal po to. Yung winning shot. Pinakasakit.
Austin, sinasa ng Bautista. Aray ko.
Aray ko. Uy, magsalita ka daw, boss! Tangina, nakapokus na sa score. Pinapokus na sa score.
Magsalita ka. Pati na sasalita.
Finish ko na.
Oo, sige.
Finish.
Thank you kay Richard. Thank you kay Mr. Bautista. Okay, balik muli po tayo po. Royol, number 28, shooting for 2. The score is 14-7 at 1:17 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Royol, first shot is made, is good. Second shot po tayo. Jumpers ready po. Pops up. Nope. Uy! Nice one by Aerold and nice one by Lacanilao. No good. Sorry. Okay, hub po po tayo ngayon, Mr. Hub. Nandiyan po ngayon si Mr. Pirido. Binababa ang ball ni Pirido. 2 points Pirido. And now, okay, 53 seconds remaining. Sure, timeout. Okay, nagtamat po ang team, Sky Team. Hello. Kanino anak yan? Number 20. Apelido?
Loro.
Ayun.
Sir, thank you po.
Ng tatay.
Si Dwight. Mr. Dwight. Nice. Hello. So, magkitulong tatay o ni mama mo, pang valuable player? Mamili ka na lang. Royol now to Mr. Arnel. Thank you, pre. Thank you. God bless. And Arnel again. Arnel, ayaw. At out of bounds. 41 seconds remaining. First quarter action drawing to a close already. Royol, binababa ka. Ando intercepted by Pirido. Pero tumapak sa linya. Balik muli po sa Sky Team ang bola. And Lacanilao, number 24. Ging Velasquez watching. Lacanilao, layo. And to Royol, the power mover Royol. 2 points to Royol. Royol, 2 points. Number 17. Pirido, binababa ang bola. Eto na naman, intercepted. Lacanilao nagmamadali. Lacanilao. out. 2 points sa kanila now. And out of bounds. That's it. First quarter ended. 16-12 score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ang Hub by 4 points. Baba. Okay, white ball daw po tayo sa amin ng ating puding committee po. White ball po tayo. It's number 1. Ito po si San Miguel. Jonas Garcia pa shoutout po. JP Busos number 3. Player po si John, sharpshooter po. Thank you very much po, sir. Najib. Rosana pops up, no good. Rebound, Gokotano. Gokotano and Siena combination, hindi po tayo sa backcourt again. Binababa ang bola ni Siena. Siena, whoop, foul called. Number 24 called for a foul. Number 24 called for a foul. And to number 25 si Dex. Nandiyan si Dex, pops up, ayaw. Dex again. Nope, it's Billy Siena. Siena to number 12, sorry. And 3-second violation called by the referee. Binababa ang bola ngayon po mga boss, mga madam. And Mr. D-Mac. Dimakulangan. Foul called on the who's foul rep number 25. Dex for called for the foul. Dex called for the foul. Yun. Sa wakas, pinatay na rin. Pinatay na rin AC sa wakas. Second shot by D-Mac. Jumpers ready po tayo. Number 100. D-Mac. Para magta-tracking field lang. Siena. Nagmamadali. Billy Siena. Siena. Out of bounds. San Miguel, number 7. Ibang may pinagsabangan. Basta San Miguel Bill. Pops up Siena. San Miguel. No. Again, Dex sa rebound. No. Bis Najib. Again, Dex. Foul called. Dex. Ano pinito mo, pre? Rapal? Kiambao. Sorry. Dex Kiambao pala yan. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Dex Kiambao. And of course, Gokotano, number 4 si Enteng. Enteng, pops up. Bryle. No good. Out of bounds. For the white ball. White shirts. 8:04 remaining. 8:04 remaining. Mendoza, binababa ang bola. Mendoza to D-Mac. Dimakulangan. Pops up. Driving strong. Floater shot, no good. Rebound battle, one by. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. And Rosana for 3. Nope. Rebound, Enteng nagmamadali. Enteng nawala ang bola. Enteng pops up. Tapos. Rebound number 14. 14 rebounding. Whoop! Mendoza again. Rosana to Mendoza. Mendoza pops up. Tank shot is made. Basket good. Rapal. Mendoza, number 14, shooting for 2. Pops up. In. Nope. One more time. Down. Number 42, Gokotano called for a foul. Najib for the inbound. Mr. Najib. Najib inbounding to Mr. D-Mac. San Miguel. San Miguel muli from Rosana. San Miguel. Palpal bahagya. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Good ball. 2 points. Mendoza. Lucky bounce. Billy Mamarin. Billy Siena. Siena called for a foul. 6:19 remaining. Kabrigana. Injury. Number 4. Siena. Ayan na. Engkong. Nandun. San Miguel. Nandun si Rosana. Rosana called for a foul. Foul called. Engkong called for a foul. Number 12. 5:55 remaining. Second quarter action. On the way po tayo. No good. Binabang ang bola. Kaya na. Siena. Malakas. And Mr. Rosana. Nope. Rebound. Good ball. D-Mac. Pumasok bola si D-Mac. Pinasukan na. D-Mac. D-Mac 100. D-Mac kuha ng pick. Pops up. Kapos. Nope. Foul called.
Out of bounds. Galing Pilipinas yan
Ha?
Sabi yan?
Pinatraki yan sa asawa ni Scott eh. Pinadeliver sa akin eh.
Dito binagsak.
Dito binagsak sa akin.
Magkalapit lang mga leskat?
Ha?
Magkalapit lang ba?
Oo. Isang ano lang. Isang block.
Dito sa Mansura?
Mansura. Gokotano 42 pops up. Second shot. Jump shot ready po tayo. Pasok pa ang bola. Okay, 7 po kalamangan ng hub over Sky Team. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Nandyan si Najib. Nandun si Mendoza. Mendoza fadeaway shot. Nandun si D-Mac. And one play. Hop. D-Mac again, first shot. Naka-high stomp. D-Mac, pops up. It's in. Hop! Okay, palit na si D-Mac. Sino papalit? Of course, si De Padua, pumasok na. Si Mike nandyan din. Sila kanya, si Mike muli. Mike for 3. Tapos. Pilaw. Naka-rebound. Pilaw. No good. Rebound na kinilaw. Nandun si Pilaw muli. Pilaw. 2 points Pilaw. No good. Binababa ngayon ni Valdez ang bola. And Valdez, number 0 to Mr. Nitro to Pilaw again. Pilaw, no good. Rebound by! Hindi sila nagkaamuyan ng mga boss. Hindi po sila nagkaamuyan. Balik muli po tayo po sa ating laro ngayon. Pagkat pinata ako pambira. Hindi siya habang nabukas. Gusto ng bukas. Okay, game muli po tayo. Ito na, Valdez! Valdez! 2 points! Laki nila kay Mike, Mr. Mike. Ang kanilang leader. Mike, ang nagtitimon ngayon. To Arnel, Trapal yan. Yan si Trapal. Royol, and 1 play. Basket make kay Royol. Plus 1 point pa. Possible 1 point also. Pops up Royol. Pasok. Pasok si Royol. Valdez, binababa ang bola. Valdez. Valdez. Nope, ayaw. Valdez muli, Valdez. Pops up, ayaw. And to Pilaw again. Pilaw for 3. Nope, it's 3-second violation. Royol, inbounding. Binababola ni Mike. And Arnel. And tulakan nila. Pops up for 3. Look. Pilaw. Binatong bola ka kay Valdez. Valdez on the foot race now. Valdez. Nice D. Pops up. Nitro. Wala. Rebound. Laki nilaw. Hindi ka na ng rebounder. Laki nilaw. Wala. Nope. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Nag-time up pala, kala ko. Laki na 2 shots given. No good. Traveling cold. Steam engine. Pop sa Pilaw. Bang! Binababa ang bola. Royol. Trapal. Wala. Tapping top battle. Rebound battle. Oops, si Daisy. White ball called on Trapal for sure. Trapal nga ako for a foul. Valdez. Hauko. Traveling pala, sorry. Traveling violation called by the referee. Arnel, foul called. Pilaw. $50 seconds remaining. Pops up. Pilaw. Bang, bang! Pilaw, 31-17. And to Mike, lost the ball almost. Walter, palpal. Blocked. Nando si Trapal. Balik tayo. I think it's penalty situation, pushing foul called. It's in. Second shot, Trapal. Pasok pareho. Pops up, kapos. Okay, that's it. First half is ended already. Halftime po tayo. Siyempre, picture tayo. Picture. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. The score is 33-19. I think konti pa po din ang 5 shots. 5 shots, 4 shots. 4 shots given para po sa Hub. Dahil sila po mas marami kumpara mo po sa team Sky Team de Padua. Wala rin. Dionisio. Wala. Okay, back to the ball. Gimini po tayo yun. Second half daw is already watching right now. Second game. Game. Okay. Change court po tayo yun. Okay, number 11 along with Dwight, si Perido, si Terona at si Nipit. Kabilang ko, of course, nandiyan yung dalawa, si Gokotano, si Billy, si Arnold o si Arnold, and of course, sila Kalilaw. And of course, nandiyan ko ng coach po, yan ha, si Mr. Tam 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 Tam. Nga, kumusta na? Hindi ka pa rin ano? Hindi ka pa rin na-operan? Sige. Harold. And to Siena. Billy Siena. Siena creating space. Binato ka kailangan na for 3. Nope. Rebound. Oop, si Daisy. Nahuli. 18. Billy Siena called for the foul. Binababa ang bola ngayon, Mr. Alam mo na, ni Mr. Perido. Perido, kumakamada. Dwight for 3. Nope. Rebound, battle won by Royol. Nandiyan si Siena. Billy Siena. Vintage Siena move. The pirouette by Siena, pumasok. 12 kalamangan ng The Hub still. Of course, nandiyan po si Perido. Kumukuha ng pick kay Siena. And to Terona is Gokotano. Palpal. Still completed. Billy Siena. Oh, traveling violation called. 8:33 remaining. Third quarter action on the way po tayo. The score is 33-21. 12 kalamangan ng Team Hub. Perido. Dwight. Hindi na kontrol ng bola. Ang pasa. Binababa ang bola ngayon ni Siena drilling on the ball. Nope, it's Nipit. Out of bounds. Riol. Gokotano Enteng. Nope, it's Trapal. Arnel. Royol. It's 3-second violation. 3-second violation, boss. And this game is brought by SPB Ara for maintaining this game in a neat and orderly fashion. Thank you po. Binabang bola, Terona sa ilalim. 2 points, Terona. 2 points. And now Billy Siena tap. And Riol. Oy! Foul called. And to Lakinilaw. Pops up. 2 points. Jolens. 6:54 remaining. 35-23. Pops up Junicio. Nope. Rebound battle by Nipit. Power move. Out of bounds. Parang si Nipit yata. Pumait yata ng konti, no? Nipit. Ano pa ang sikreto niya? Turon mo sa akin. Gusto mo pa ito.
Isang beses na lang
Ha?
isang beses na.
Pwede yun. Trap, Lakinilaw. No good. Rebound, Lakinilaw. Nakanilaw. To Siena. Siena, nakanilaw. Taking 3, ayaw muna niya. Against Junicio. Nakanilaw, no good. Wala pumula kumuha. And binaba ang bola. Nando si Siena. Binato agad kay Ente Goriol. 2 points, Riol. Riol, 2 points. 5:45 remaining. Binato ng bola kagad. Ayan si Ente. Si Billy Siena. Siena. Riol to Enteng. Enteng sa likod. Nope. Ayaw. Touch pass. Riol. And 1 play made. Nice one by Riol. Riol, 28. Balik muli po tayo sa kalamaan po tayo, 25-28. Laman po ng 7 ang hub. Junish de Padua. Oy! Sumabit yung kamay sa net. Ginalaw. Ano rep? Counted yun? Counted daw, sabi ng referee. Basket count? Basket. Okay, basket count daw talaga. Sumabit yung kamay. Parang goaltending din yun. Ginalo yung net eh. Billy against Pilao. Pilao, lumusot. Kay Trapal. Mr. Trapal to Mr. Rio. Braille to Riol, Braille, ang birador. And to Billy Siena, touch pass, wrong pass. And to Pilao, Pirido, malakas, Pilao, 2 points. Pesky defense of Pilao. And to Arnel Trapal, binabang bola. Pops up, uy! Traveling violation, nadikit sa depensa. And time ito called by team Sky Team. The score rate is 39-20. Balik na muli po sa 11 ang kalamangan po ng The Hub. Sky Team looking now to another straight win. And also The Hub want to get back again to the winning column na natalo po sila po last week po sa CAS. Okay, score babagay 39-28. Laman po ng 11 ang The Hub. Wow, sarap. Sarap naman. Balik tayo. Shot at kinap out of the Pogi na faithful pa kay Mr. Birdie. D-Mac. Ayun lang, walang pinasahan si D-Mac. And Billy Siena. Good ball. 2 points na kanilaw. Foul called. 24. Laki na called for a foul. Side throw inbound po para kay Pilao to Mr. San Miguel. Pops up. D-Mac. No good. Rebound. Laki nilaw. Op. Moving pick. Violation on Billy Siena. Moving pick. Balik tayo. D-Mac. D-Mac kulangan. D-Mac to Pilaw. Thinking 3. Wag muna raw. Naipit ang konti. Gokotano. Nanakawan. Gokotano. 2 points to Gokotano. And 1 play. Okay, Gokotano, bonus shot given already. Bonus video for Gokotano. Siguro epekto yata ito ng summer na kasi kaya medyo may ulo nila. Okay, Gokotano 42 shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. Si Daisy, pops up, Pilaw, pasok. Sana. Tirona, nanakawan nga, mutik pa. And San Miguel. 3-second violation called. 3-second violation. Balik tayo, 2:26 remaining po. Matatapos sa third quarter action. Bob. Nice one by Lakinilaw. Don't look now. 4 na lang po ang kalamangan ng hub. Pops up. Ayan po. De Padua. San Miguel. Tirona. D-Mac. Foul. Hard foul called. Nice foul. Okay, wala yan. Matibay yan. Matibay. D-Mac yan. D-Mac. Shooting for 2. 1:50 remaining, 39-35. First shot. Yun lang. Good ball. San Miguel. Binabantay si Billy. Bumalik muna. San Miguel. Nope, it's Billy. Billy from Gokotano. Kick pass kay Bryle to Gokotano. Gokotano. No good. Naipit. Royol. Wala. Rebound. D-Mac. Rebound D-Mac. Penalty situation. Team. Sky team. Bonus free throws already. D-Mac first shot. First shot pa rin yun. Second throw, jumper ready. Second free throw, jumper ready tayo. Ginugulat mo ako Pops up, D-Mac, wala pareho. FC Daisy. White ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Oop. D-Mac, tingin 3. Pops up. Wala. Uy. Oop, teka lang. Okay. Iniwas ko lang. Holding foul called on Najib. Called. 1:12 remaining. 40-35. 5 pa rin po kalamangan Lima pa rin po kalamangan ng hub. Royol naman, Royol. Uy! Penalty situation, team hub. Blocking foul called on Najib. Back-to-back fouls called on Najib. It's in. 1:07 remaining. Ay, mali. Wala. Okay, balik tayo. Pilaw for 3. Nope, kapos. Najib naman. Wala. Braille. To Billy Shena. Agis Pilaw, Braille. Tatlo na kalamangan yan. Tumis sa Laki Nilaw, San Miguel. Laki Nilaw, stripped away. Ball completed. And to D-Mac, driving strong. Foul. And one play made. D-Mac shooting for the bonus free throw. D-Mac 100 for the bonus shot. Ba't sandaan kasi ito? D-Mac second shot. D-Mac pops up. Wala. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. D-Mac thinking 3. Nope, ayaw. D-Mac. Ayun kay Pilaw. Nandun si Laki Nilaw. Nice D. Laki Nilaw. Billy Shena. Call for a foul. Pushing foul. San Miguel pushing foul. Better situation, Billy Shena shooting for 2. It's in. $0.50 remaining. Ito naman tayo. Uy! Miscommunication. De Padua and Pilaw. Binabato. Laki Nilaw. Pops up for 3. Offline. Billy. Kapos. Sancho Matias, Sander Dalida is watching right now. Okay, fourth and final quarter starting right now. Lamang pa rin po ng 5 ang The Hub. The Hub trying to bounce back again po sa kanilang pagkatalo sa CAS. While of course ang Sky Team po trying to keep its winning column alive po tayo sa kanila. Okay. White ball daw po tayo. That's Mr. White ball daw po tayo. White ball. Hi, Sir Martin. Sabi ni Mr. Dalida. Hi to you also, Mr. Dalida. Of course, that's Mr. De Padua, number 28. With D-Mac, with Mendoza, with Terona. Kabila po, ayan, si Cocotano, Braille, Perido, for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Perido. Balik tayo. Trapal Arnel. Double team already. Double team. Now, to Laki Nilaw. Nagmamadali naman. Laki Nilaw. Foul called. Aray. Okay, sa kabilang po po si Riol, si Bryle, si Gokotano, si Laki Nilaw, and si Arnel. Game. Laki Nilaw, number 34, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Same ball. Nice rebound. Nice hustle play by Enteng, Gokotano. Nice hustle play. Intercepted. Yun lang. And Perido against Arnel. Perido, Arnel, wala. Tip in by De Padua. Laki Nilaw against Perido. Against Trapal. Enteng. Wala. Guarded. Enteng against D-Mac. Okay, Enteng. Iniwanan na siya. D-Mac, Dio, yung bola. Pasok ang bola kay D-Mac. 46-37 point. 11 na naman kalamangan. 48-37 na score po natin yun. At 8:41 remaining. And Bryle to Royol. Royol against Mendoza. Royol, nakaipit. Kumala kagad. Bryle for 3. Nope. Rebound. Mr. Tirona. And D-Mac na nagbaba ng bola. Nagtito mo ng bola si Mr. D-Mac. D-Mac Kulangan is in the house. Perido. Ayun. Wala nga lang. And Tirona. Muntik pa. Foul called and timeout called by the Sky Team.
Second person.
Game. Balik tayo. D-Mac shooting for 2. 8:05 remaining. Ano ba nadali si Tam sa tuhod mo? Sa ano? Achilles? Anong nawala? Anong natanggal? Saan banda yun ba? Huh? Bakit? Paano nangyari? As in, di ka makatakbo.
Dito kayo nun, sir. Pag-iingat ko.
Di ka makatakbo.
Talon, hindi.
Di rin.
Jogging lang.
Hindi ka hilutin yan? Hindi ka mo kasi hilot sa ano? Ano talaga? Bubuksan talaga?
Lalagyan ng bago.
Ouch. Gokotano. Laki na, ang lalim nun, pero may foul on De Padua. Upper body set ni Gokotano. Number 28 called for a foul. That's De Padua. Third personal foul po yan. And of course, at exactly 7:40 remaining, pops up. Good. Okay, chance to team the ball now. The game now into 10 points. Whoop! Good ball. Tirona. Uy. Perido. Di Mendoza. Perido. Nice tap. Tap to Gokotano. Gokotano to Mr. Royol. And one play made.
Foul number 17. Third personal foul.
Riol shooting for the bonus free throw. Riol for the bonus shot. Pops up. It's in. Inyo. It's out. Sorry. It's out. 49-40. Tulad natin mga player mga nalusong. Di Makulangan against Billy. Billy Di Makulangan against Mr. Enteng. Foul!
Foul. Again, fourth personal foul.
Pops up Arnami. Nope. Two points. Nice one by number 25, Dex. Dex Cambao, 2 points. 49-42, pito kalamangan. Foul called. Di Makulang was fouled by Dex. 6:33 remaining po sa ating pong game na lang po nito. We're now ending now sa ating week number 3 sa ating basketball action.
25 third personal foul.
Perido. Wala. Rebound by Gokotano. Out of bounds. Same ball po tayo.
Fourth na yan. Fourth quarter.
Ha? Court niya.
Foul. 25, apat na rin. 1 for penalty. Third to shoot. Five.
Pops up. Nope. Rebound Mendoza. Ayun!
Number 10.
De Padua. Foul call. Take 2.
Foul number 10. Third personal foul, penalty. First shot.
Shot made.
Second shot.
Ito na ba siya?
Basket.
Basket made.
24.
Laking Lao.
Basket number 42. Basket number 10. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Binabang bola ngayon. Perido. Wala. Rebound. Gokotano. Gamba ni Ranab. D-Mac foul called. Foul on Enteng. Enteng called for a foul. First shot, D-Mac, pasok. Dex. Oopsie daisy, offensive foul called. Points again. Binababa ngayon ng bola. Enteng Gokotano. Foul. Pilao called for the foul. Timeout called by the Sky Team. Okay, Enteng Gokotano shooting for two. The score is 56-42, a 14-point lead advantage enjoyed by the Hub over the Sky Team. Malakas. Rebound by Terona. Pirido. Golden. 15 up. Bangs it in. Shena. Out of bounds. 3:10 remaining. 59-42 po tayo. Si Eusebio pumasok na po para sa The Hub. Binababang bola ngayon ni Eusebio with Mr. Perido. Pinasa. D-Mac pops up. Nope. Royol, driving, show, Palpal, may foul. 2:49 remaining. Penalty situation po tayo, Team The Hub. 59-42, 15-point lead advantage, 17-point lead advantage, nope. A 16-point lead advantage now still enjoyed by The Hub over the Sky Team. It's good. Still completed. Gokotano. No good. Rebound by Gokutano again. Gokutano pops up. Wala pa rin. Kick pass now kay Najib. Nope, it's not si Bryle. 2:26 remaining, fourth and final quarter. And now Enteng. Billy. Nando si Enteng. Enteng Gokutano thinking 3. Enteng pops up. Foul. Cylinder. Sumabit. Nasabit. Take 2, take 3. Take 3. Enteng, 3 shots awarded. Enteng, 42's first shot. Pasok. Second shot, Enteng. Second shot, Enteng. Nope. Last shot, Enteng. Last shot, pasok. Okay, 2 out of 3. 2:10 remaining. I think kulang din kasi ang Sky Team, kaya medyo compared to the Hub na medyo kompleto sila ngayon, pero Sky Team ngayon really underman sila din, of course under sila. Baka may pasok itong iba, kaya enough lang sila talaga to play the game. And of course, nandiyan pa rin po ang pero still maganda rin pa ang kinaang play po ni Mr. Di Makulangan, yung kanyang pinaka-skipper po, si D-Mac. Okay, Pirido for the inbound. Pirido. Nandun si Pirido. Ayun kay Najib. Malakas ang pasa kay Najib. D-Mac. 3-1. D-Mac. No good. Rebound, Billy. And to Riol. 2 points, Riol. Perido, inipit ng konti. Foul! 1:26 remaining, fourth and final quarter. The score is still 59-48 and 21 point lead na advantage rather. 11 point lead advantage rather po ng the Hub over the Sky Team. Okay. 60-48. Okay, 12 point lead. Perido again. Wala. Rebound. Gokutano. Binato natin si Billy Siena. 2 points. Pilaw. Binamang bola. Pilaw. Nakalusot. Perido. No good. Rebound. Riol. Big man Riol. Rebound. Naipit ang konti. Mali. And now, Perido. Ayun, Pilaw. 2 points. 2 points, Pilaw. 57 seconds remaining. Riol. And to Enteng. Bryle for 3. Bang! Ay, tulit from Bryle. Binatukan ng bola. Bryle muli. To Pilaw. No good. No foul. Riol again for 3. Nope, it's Billy. Enteng. Billy. Riol. Offline. Napagod na. 24 seconds remaining. I think that will be it. Safety na tayo. Okay, safety na lang po. Pops up, Najib. Wala na. Okay, that's it. Okay, congratulations. Sky Team already conceded. Final score, 6253. Maraming salamat po. Ito po, again, winner po ang The Hub 6253. Maraming salamat po and be back kayo po sa ating this coming Friday and sa ating basketball action sa ating aviation friendly dubbed as the Flying League. Thank you very much.